MSME Development and Facilitation Shillong Ringkat Kajin Trilang Bat ke District Commerce and Industry Center Riboy District mentah kasih ke Pratrik Luber ke Pynlong ke awareness program ban aji Pynshai ke pai ba halor ke PM Vishwakarma scheme ke badi ke scheme jong sorkar pedeng ke ba aji kersan ki breu ki patre bat iki besnai ki tiar ka kti lakal long hasor ne hanu kendong ia kan ke awareness program la Pynlong dorbar hall sajar ha kan ke singil awan ban Pynshai pai ba halor ke PM Vishwakarma scheme da ba bante Sumer State Project Manager CSC ka kong Edkar Functional Manager DCIC Riboy ha ka jindoren kad ba H. General Manager DCIC Riboy District and Sharma Assistant Director in Charge Brand MSME DFO Shillong lembat kino ilam senong bat kiwi-kiwi.
Prime Minister Badan Bulog Yongiru Narendra Modi.
There are more than 200 schemes, central schemes which are currently operating in our India. But this is the scheme, that is PM Vishwakarma, which is for the artisans, craft people like you, to promote them, to upgrade them, to handhold them.
Bomba had ka government of India kadang palat aspa teliti jet scheme. Hendai kadai ka PM Vishwakarma scheme, kadai ka scheme kapalam mang terpang na kementaki artisan itu kebantu kumdo bankin piu yaki. Kumdo bankin piu ya kalau komtre ki jongki yaka yaki mang ke bata ke bala penmi.
At the moment there are 18 categories, 18 type of artisans has been considered under this scheme. You can see there are tailors, there are carpenters, garland makers. Similarly, there are 18 trades which has been covered in the first phase of PM Vishwakarma scheme.
Yamuntahi hakanekan PM Vishwakarma scheme dan haduruk hak pra teliti jatkam. Yamuntahi hila apa nang beteng susu hila apa nang extend susu adin mulai yamuntahi kidon hak pra teliti jatkam ke bala bentuk hakaneka PM Vishwakarma.
Till now, the other scheme, there are various schemes, but this in PM Vishwakarma is being designed to give the benefit to the grassroots level, the people like you. Because there are bankers, when you approach to the bankers, they never provide you the capital loan. They said you do not have the background, your everything, your details are not with them. So this scheme will provide you not only the upgradation of your skills but also the loan so that you can start your work, you can upgrade your work.
Ini ka PM Vishwakarma scheme kadai ka scheme kapala temu gerpang kumno ban kentiu yaka rukom tre rukom tak jong kitu ki beri ke 4 ju ki bakam tapai sanu kendong ki bak 4 ju dan batin menu-menu 4 ju dan batin menu-menu ki bak dei ki beri ke paman ki jenge ham tam lele hakpor baki apply yaka bang lu.
You register with the CSC as an artisan, it will be free of cost. You need not to pay any money to the CSC. The payment will be given directly by Ministry of MSME to the CSC.
Hak benukong hak bay day mechanic scheme in hak ban register yang day limbaki CSC but himdon kam mansiu shiting karo seki CSC. Ya kata ka ege jinglok jingset kubaki charge ki CSC bay bisa da ka Ministry of MSME.
You have to just approach your nearby CSC and get yourself registered. Once
Shouldn't come nova let me CSC but ban register yellow.
Once you are registered, your family details and your trade details will be verified by the Nokuma, your headman.
Sistem bergerak register yaki details dijongki jong yang gelongsan dijongki usapan sisya daki rang bak senong ki soda ki nok mamba kumta berkas.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center